Stop scrolling. OpenAI has finally dropped GPT-5, and not just one, but 5 insane versions, including ones you can use for free right now. Let's dive in before everyone else start talking about it. Alright, here's the shocker. GPT-5 isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete game changer. OpenAI has finally launched GPT-5, and let me tell you about it. First of all, there are multiple types of GPT-5. There are actually 5 versions: GPT-5, GPT-5 Mini, GPT-5 Nano, GPT-5 Pro, and GPT-5 Chat. GPT-5 is the coding and agentic focus model that aims to be the best model for coding and agentic tasks across domains. This is the model you generally want to use in something like Recode or any agentic coder. All their models have a 400k context windows, which honestly is a bit of bummer for a new generation model. I mean, these are the days of a 1 million context window, but hey, it's still better than 200k. Pricing, it cost $1.25 for input and $10 for output, which is actually pretty solid for a SOTA model. This is the model comes in both a reasoning variant and non-reasoning variant, depending on how you want to use it. They say this is their best model yet, and well, the benchmark are there. I'm not diving too deep into those just yet. Think one GPT-5 is enough? Nope. OpenAI went full Buffett mode on us. Then there is GPT-5 Mini, GPT-5 Nano, GPT-5 Pro, and GPT-5 Chat. It is a trailer for the different needs, from blazing fast response time to full chat optimization. Here's your speed demand for coding without burning your wallet. GPT-5 Mini sits just below the main GPT-5 model and is built to be faster and more cost efficient for well-defined tasks. It has the same 400k context window, supports reasoning, and comes at an awesome price, about 25 cents for input and $2 for output. Teeny size, massive speed, meet the Nano beast. GPT-5 Nano is the smallest model, designed to be the fastest and cheapest version available. It's perfect for summarization and classification tasks. The price? Only 5 cents for input and 40 cents for output. If you love ChatGPT, this part will blow your mind. ChatGPT 5 Chat is a chat-focused model, the same snapshot currently powering ChatGPT, fine-tuned for human preference, ideal for conversation-heavy use case. Meanwhile, ChatGPT 5 Pro is aimed at replacing 03 Pro, available only on the ChatGPT Pro plan for now and is still rolling out. This is where it gets snacky good. There are really 3 main models: GPT-5, GPT-5 Mini, and GPT-5 Nano, but all now come with a minimal reasoning option where it does almost no reasoning for its speed and cost. Plus, a verbosity parameter lets you control output length, making it cheaper when you need short answer. On benchmark, OpenAI claims GPT-5 crushes SWE bench and Adair polygon, so their chart design is questionable at best. Yes, you can try GPT-5 without spending penny. Right now, GPT-5 is still rolling out in the API. Once it's live, you can use it via the official OpenAI API for free uses. check the GitHub Models API for generous limits, or use QR code to get $20 for free credit. When GPT-5 inside your code editor, easy. Open VS Code, upgrade to the latest version, install the Copilot extension, and GPT-5 should appear soon for free limits. If you are on a paid, go to client, head to setting, select the OpenAI option, choose GPT-5, and add your API key. No matter your workflow, GPT-5 can plug right in. In raw code, upgrade the latest version, select the provider, and choose GPT-5. It's also available through OpenRouter and Requesty, giving you flexibility on where to run it. From free credit to pro level coding, this is big. If you want to try it free, just search QR code on the VS Code marketplace, claim the 20 free credits, and start building. I'm still deep testing GPT-5, and my full review will drop tomorrow. So hit the subscribe button and drop your thoughts in the comment below how ChatGPT works for you. Overall, this is the one of the coolest model drops from OpenAI yet, and it's only the beginning.